This closing ceremony program today. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Young people, children, parents, and all the members and other ladies and gentlemen who are here today. I've come here on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner who conveys her best wishes to the organization for holding this program today. Badi Rani, President M.A.KO, B. Kharmuti, General Secretary M.A.KO, Pinchai Mauri, President, East Khasi Hills District, Sambormi Lingdo, West Jaintia Hills District, Thomas Rangthalo, President, Ribhoi, and L. Nongplo, Sordar Kharang member, and all other members here. Thank you for inviting for inviting the Deputy Commissioner to this program. I'm so happy that I'm here. I can see so many children who are very much active and very happy in participating in this sport event. Just a few words on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner. We encourage sports activities. We really see that you enjoy working out and participating in this kickboxing. Sports is very much an activity which will help you grow as a person. Okay? It will help you to grow as a person, to have very strong self-esteem. It reduces stress and it also helps in the posture. This kickboxing, I've read and I know that these are some of the things that it helps. And especially for you young people, it also helps you to have discipline in life, endurance, not only in the sports, in life in general, in your education, and in interacting with other people also. It helps you to grow. Mental health also is very important. This sports definitely will help you mentally, okay, to face the challenges in this world. I hope that you really enjoy the sports so that you will not fall into bad habits. We want to motivate you to not fall into bad habits, okay?
Kadang ke sports, kadang ke cumi lakai, kadang nyerap upi, kadang nyerap upi, om tang, bapin long kebasyur, bapin long kibriu, baim baha, baka shlong katha, balik ikam di bahan, nang sumar lejong, nang sumar kimbet kipat lejong, nang pam baha, nang im baha, but nang long kebasyur, nang long kibak wak ban kiu, shalot, ni bangin kat ibarat rumeng. Dilek kemen, baju sosi di mana kemen baju hamai lakan, bat di wendan ki kinlong ki brio ki batep brio terbelai, mo kinlong ki brio batep brio terbelai, kenang ba, keri kejela juniru kenang kio syahmat. Ditang kata, naik lagi berokot, tam kini gitu kot, jom kena organisation ke berokot kenang ini dengan simenda, awak kata kejeng tumu jeng pi, kejeng terang jeng pi, kan sab. Pentip syai Deputy Commissioner ru menin yo hi ban island yo hi ban wat ilat kilinti na kabenta jong hi nang benta ka jing kio jong kene organization pulai shibon sa sisien nga kemen pelat malay opo ina jaka ngai i ki jing silur jing ni kena ka jing dak kai ka jing start te ngana I will CMP all the best mo